Dulu di sini karangnya di pulau ini sama sekali tidak ada karang di sini. Ketika ada coral guardian, baru karang timbul.
Ombak Putih is sailing through the Komodo National Park. As part of Seatrek's Sailing for Good commitment, we've stopped off at the island of Hatamin for one of our most important visits. The Coral Guardians of Hatamin Island are carrying out some of the most important environmental work in Indonesia right now, the restoration of our coral reefs.
Nama saya Abdullah WO, tinggal di Serai Besar, hanya cuma bekerja di Coral Guardian sekarang.
My name is Alen. I stay in Labuan Bajo and I help with the project by doing monitoring. But my main job is to do handling some guests that they want to come and do the project with us.
The Komodo National Park is home to some of the healthiest coral reefs on Earth. But here on Hatamin Island, it hasn't always been like this.
This place before was very beautiful with the coral reef and also all the beautiful fish, a lot of colors, and so many fish come here that make all the fishermen easy to fishing around this area. But after that, there is a dynamite fishing activities that also implemented by the local fishermen.
It didn't take long for the practice of dynamite fishing to take its toll.
Karena kemungkinan nenek-nenek yang dari dulu itu mungkin karena kelakuannya bom.
All the corals is already broken. There's no more coral reef. Yeah, and there is no fish to catch by the local fishermen.
Itu bom tidak baik.
Tidak baik. Jadi Om harus pergi tempat jauh ya untuk
tempat
memancing.
jauh.
The local fishermen, especially for the local community, they depend their life from fishing. So if they break everything, they will get nothing.
It's here that the Coral Guardians stepped in.
Ketika ada coral guardian, baru karang timbul karena karang sudah berkembang dari bertelur karang.
They begin by collecting tiny fragments of nearby healthy coral, a bit like pruning a bush. These fragments are then transplanted, tied to metal structures by volunteers, including Seatrek guests. The metal structures are placed together on the seabed around the island, and over time, these fragments grow and flourish into new, thriving, healthy coral reefs.
Coral guardian sekarang, perasaan saya sangat aman sekali. Ikan juga sudah mulai, saya lihat itu pemancing juga sudah memancing dekat-dekat sekarang.
The Coral Guardians project has not only revived this reef and rejuvenated local fish stocks, it provides employment and safeguards the future.
We try to create a good income for them also because we employ all the local people that stay around our restoration area. I hope they will realize that protect the coral is not a hard thing to do. They just need to know how important it is, and they will know we cannot damage them, we cannot break them, because it is our future things that we can take a lot of benefits from the oceans.
Ya, karang penting sekali karang ini.
When you sail with Seatrek, you can make a difference, contributing to this wonderful project in the heart of the Coral Triangle, safeguarding the reefs for future generations. To discover more, head to seatrekbali.com.